Oh man, friends of Gordon, we've got a special for you today. I've got a Cycle Door, excuse me, Cycle Dogs uh, popcorn chicken plate. Of course, it is vegan, so chicken in air quotes. But oh, excuse me. Let's get that straightened. But yes, they sometimes have specials on Wednesday and Thursday, and I usually can't make it, but I had to make an exception. Uh, I had to have it, you know, a little bit of vegan flavor, soul food. Got the popcorn chicken, got some corn, got some coleslaw, got mashed potatoes. I got extra mashed potatoes for later too. Heck, I'm gonna put the popcorn chicken into the gravy. And slowly vegan. I see you guys are expanding. Please come up to Seattle. This is pretty good. This is pretty good. I like it. Really hits the spot. It took me a while to drive there and back. It's kind of on the other side of town. So sadly, it is cooled off a little bit. That's okay. That's how I usually have it. Just the nature. Having to go a long distance to get something. Oh yeah, Gordon. I'm not sharing this one. I'm gonna have to make it a quick episode. I gotta go somewhere very soon. But yeah, this is a good special. The one that I regret missing the most so is the doner kebab, or they might call it under a different name sometimes, but I think that was one of the first things I had at Cycle Dogs for their Oktoberfest. And yeah, it seems like they only do it once or twice a year. Um, so yeah, they're always taking my money from me. Imagine that picture from Futurama. Shut up and take my money. So somebody please, again, help me win the lottery. This is good. Gordon seems to think so too, or at least anticipates it. Right? You a good boy? Very good boy. Mashed potatoes are good too. I'm going to be snacking on this during my Zoom call. Camera off, I guess. Mm. Mm. All right, I'm going to wrap up this episode a bit early. Yep, I'm still hungry, but got to get ready for stuff. So you guys take it easy. I highly recommend Cycle Dogs and all they do. My favorite place. Basically, comfort food, street fare, vegan street fare, I think is what they call it. So they've got burgers and hot dogs and other stuff. And now drinks. So take it easy.